Wyatt and I are down looking for the birds. Alright, come on, kid. Not sure if you can hear them. They're all around us, though. Alright, well, come however you can. Come back however you can.
That was an easy tell. How come? Are we gonna restart it?
No, we're gonna go back in the house so the birds don't come and poop on our head.
Huh?
Tell them how many birds there are on this video.
I don't know.
Look on the video. How many do you think there are?
I think there's like 102.
Alright. Watch out for the mud.
Can we try to get it again?
Nope. Daddy will get it tomorrow.
Well, we can make a good try. That way?
No, I'm gonna go back the way we came.
I really want to get it.
Have I already said what we're doing?
Yeah.
Is it on film?
Yeah.
Do you think whining never works?
No.
No.
That was another good day.
Careful for Tav. Tav's on the dryer. He got a bath. And now we're going in house.
Yeah.
Tav, I
I
hope
did not like getting through that big tree limb.
I hope they don't all land on your head and poop on you.
Like, because he just got a bath.
Yeah.